Ma kwa ba ede ba airline text go in the video ni mbeche okwan ya obefa so a obe use wo phone create bank account in just 3 minutes. An account now obe create no so secure. Before I remember we create this account in make sure ama wan kase won say e ampa sa account ya obe create secure. First ni ni say before I be create bank account na just wako bank na obe say create account no owo mo ho no omo office na wako fill some forms bi ni nyama bi obehia guarantor na sa nyama ni na waste time ebi kura na because of time na nkoya sa nyama bi na but in 3 minutes make sure kwan ya obefa so create account secured one kasa wo mobile phone so account ya ma be cho no obetumi create no either I go na men wo kita Android phone so men wo obetumi create account no with ni na within just 3 minutes so then say mbra man come phones na me cho kwan ya obefa so we create sa account we okay so uko phone so na wakosa mo use iPhone no be call app store we use Android no so be call Play Store so uko ehanuma search board we search EcoBank mobile app we search EcoBank mobile app na wa download it so say me ma download that so the only option I'm done is to open the app so we download it na wa me open so we be call bank na nkasa app no EcoBank mobile app inside. Okay, so Ura bank account now because of you are new to the app. No going to welcome to EcoBank mobile app. And the next thing I'll be on so I say is simple and secure with quick access to your account instantly. So it says that I'm secure. Me and worry say be I do seek out to I be I bet me when no problem be I do bet me do seek out to transaction. Now I withdrawals be I person we be I transactions activities be I person you won't be bet me I secured and simple. Okay. So Uber app no na we me get started no so we get started now because we are new here and we are here to open account and we select no I'm new to EcoBank. We select I'm new to EcoBank. Okay. Yeah. Now after Uber has here no select or say please select your country. So we are no by search box no search Ghana. We search Ghana and we are now the next thing I see and so I sit down. Enter your mobile number. So no be enter your mobile number as well. No me continue on so. Okay, so because we are here to open bank account, no be me open an EcoBank account. Yeah, me also. Now account there are two different accounts. Your savings account and your express account. So because here per account I be receiving scar and I'll be like whether receiving and then making like payments and stuff so your savings never be so ube entire express account so select express account. Okay, now select we are no waiting for some few seconds on send the code amount. Okay, so code ni si wa nyabo code ni she umpe no bon say account no aba yeah so account no but just say provide your personal like info which is your personal information. All right, so first of see enter your first name into your like maybe a Emmanuel Atana Emmanuel whatever bring your first name no Emmanuel first now the last name no akoshe second which is the last name. Sorry, before I ever start so we just over here Ghana card we if you say make sure Ghana card no so in here because Ghana card information now would be used as your ID. All right, so Omega say, but where your date of birth? Date of birth, no here, a month and a year. Okay, so maybe bo, me the national. Okay, so ubo, your date and a show year. Then so me, okay, okay. So now Omega say enter email address. Me say for email address, I will say one kasa wo personal email address. I will use like because here where your bank account. When I do sika, eba share. Because they are only find the ago so make sure say we do email a valid email address and I'll be sure we are bar no me female we are so I know select mail it's just like we gender so we are now select continue. All right, so we select continue now but I just say identification because I say ID be now say we dey register. Okay, so we person we use passport I'll bet me do passport I know about passport number national. But and I'm saying you use ID into me select national ID. Alright, so omeka say enter your national ID number no. So so we enter. Say yeah, most of the time no almost some dash be ehyehyɛ mfimfini saa dash ne mentro but Ghana sa GHA and the say obo wie pe no na the numbers no ato so men fa saa dash no ember just enter only the numbers no to us. Okay, next thing on Becca say enter issue date. So issue date no so no go say Ghana card no so until we share day we Ghana card no na maka just say enter home address. So address no so here panty na about address no pay sure say information now be fill ni na valid because we like sika ho asam na so they provide valid information and yes I want kasana like ube ha okay so we are near create profile no so na train kakra. Alright, just for some few more seconds be no account na kasa baby amount. Alright, no mobile like mobile alert or number now they register and so we just say create with 6-digit pin. I don't know, Michelle, pin code with secret code into the memory because share with OBR, Michelle, secret code into no, Michelle, men ma OBR, Hunsa, with secret code, no, Michelle, secret code, dear, and here, Pantina, Michelle, wow, okay, Ubo pin code, 6 pin code now, per se, would be anywhere, no one near continue, so, okay. So me I continue on so now because I say security questions. Security questions say in case maybe account no maybe we could feel password be and be a question account anymore. And there on some questions on person bisawa now they are recover our account maybe we work with deleting into person log into email now the create maybe email the password in way fee. Until these questions never one a bit me recover this account. So questions we so no make sure say ankasa no question no mbe bisa no ubema answer ye. Okay, so wa ba select question na person mo bisa no wa ma e answer obekai. Okay, fill this forms no so every pe no me create profile. Me create profile na and the me okay. Now mbe bisa in case say bia account na oba be creating e bia obi na chiro e wa ha so obi na chiro wa ha nipa no like if you refer on code or the man enter error on so that code no the man ubenya like nipa no ubenya kwensi bi intimate wa me the refer code no e share your description box intimate say ubetwe na e do refer na dey share na me so e menya kwensi kakra bi mbo we am bia bo no so first yes sambo an na fa eboa me. Okay, so ubo share we are that means you are going to go now within some 3 minutes and now account in any OBA or bank account. Alright, so OBA account in any account na any make sure kwanya maybe so say maybe I will be send no ska account no account or say express account number nini so be obi upese will be send news cause say for account we ni man number we na the be man na nipa na send scanner nipa person send person me number ni say obi person send me scan make sure for share account number we mama. Alright, so this is it within this few minutes just with your Ghana card and your mobile phone and just internet connection. Okay, Sambre amateur kwanya within just 3 minutes to create two bank account ama when your bank account message so be so umbre we kakra na like video na so wa subscribe to my channel we and then my next video no make sure kwanya we first one we use just an app we to use app enya sika and so next video I'm going to subscribe and turn the notification bell on aduma na shakwana won make sure so be turn on so never am video no so ubehun na also when you sika kakra bi e da ya wade na ye boa boa ye hun kakra that's it.